Welcome to AskPrep, your trusted companion for UPSC and IAS preparation. Today we will study about a very important topic of technology, which is virtual reality, VR, versus augmented reality, AR. Key differences. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, represent two of the most transformative technological advancements of the modern era. Both have revolutionized how we interact with digital content, but they serve distinct purposes and offer unique experiences. Understanding the key differences between VR and AR is crucial for grasping their potential applications and implications in various fields. Virtual reality immerses users in a fully digital environment, completely shutting out the physical world. By using headsets like the Oculus Rift, HTC Vive, or PlayStation VR, users can enter simulated worlds designed for gaming, training, education, and even therapy. The experience is entirely controlled by software, offering visual, auditory, and sometimes haptic feedback to create a sense of presence in a virtual space. VR applications are widely used in gaming for creating expansive, interactive worlds. In education and training, VR provides realistic simulations for pilots, surgeons, and military personnel, enabling risk-free practice in high-stakes scenarios. In mental health treatment, VR is being used for exposure therapy to help patients confront and manage phobias and post-traumatic stress disorder. Augmented reality, on the other hand, overlays digital content onto the real world, enhancing the user's perception of their environment. AR is accessible through smartphones, tablets, and specialized glasses like Microsoft HoloLens and Magic Leap. Popular applications include Pokémon Go, which superimposes game elements onto real-world locations, and AR navigation apps that display directional arrows on live camera feeds. In industries like retail, AR allows customers to visualize products in their homes before purchasing, while in healthcare, it assists surgeons by projecting critical information during procedures. AR is also transforming industrial operations by providing hands-free access to technical information and real-time troubleshooting for complex machinery. One of the fundamental differences lies in user experience. VR replaces the real world with a virtual one, requiring complete user immersion and often a dedicated physical space. AR, however, integrates digital elements into the user's existing environment, enabling interaction with both physical and virtual objects simultaneously. This difference defines their usability. VR is ideal for scenarios that require full immersion, whereas AR is better suited for tasks that benefit from enhanced real-world interaction. The hardware requirements also differ significantly. VR headsets typically include motion sensors, hand controllers, and sometimes external sensors to track movement within a confined space. AR devices, by contrast, rely on cameras, sensors, and sometimes lightweight glasses to overlay digital content onto the real world. This makes AR more accessible, as many applications only require a smartphone or tablet, while VR demands specialized equipment. Additionally, advancements in wearable AR technology are making these devices more lightweight, user-friendly, and affordable, expanding their reach across various sectors. In terms of development complexity, VR experiences often require the creation of entirely new 3D environments and physics engines to simulate real-world interactions. AR development focuses more on integrating digital content seamlessly with the physical environment, which involves sophisticated computer vision and spatial mapping technologies. These technical distinctions influence how content creators design and implement experiences for each platform. As both technologies evolve, the development tools and platforms are becoming more accessible, encouraging widespread innovation and adoption. From a societal perspective, VR and AR have different impacts. VR has been instrumental in creating empathetic experiences, such as virtual reality documentaries that allow users to experience life from another person's perspective. In education, VR enables immersive learning experiences by transporting students to historical sites or distant planets, making abstract concepts tangible. AR complements this by providing interactive 3D models in classrooms, enriching traditional teaching methods without isolating students from their surroundings. These complementary uses highlight how both technologies can coexist and enhance learning outcomes. Moreover, VR is supporting distance learning through virtual classrooms, while AR is enabling collaborative projects by merging digital and physical learning environments. The future of VR and AR is promising, with ongoing advancements blurring the lines between the two. Mixed reality, MR, for instance, combines elements of both VR and AR, allowing digital and physical objects to coexist and interact in real time. This convergence opens new possibilities for applications in design, engineering, and entertainment, creating hybrid experiences that leverage the strengths of both technologies. Additionally, the integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning is enhancing the capabilities of VR and AR, enabling more adaptive and personalized user experiences. For UPSC and IS aspirants, understanding the distinctions between VR and AR is vital, as these technologies are reshaping industries, economies, and governance models. Policymakers must consider regulations on data privacy, ethical use, and accessibility to ensure these technologies benefit society equitably. As VR and AR continue to evolve, their integration into sectors like healthcare, education, defense, and urban planning will require informed governance and innovative policy frameworks. Governments must also address challenges related to digital addiction, privacy concerns, and equitable access to these transformative technologies. In conclusion, while virtual reality and augmented reality share the goal of enhancing human interaction with digital content, they do so through fundamentally different approaches. VR offers complete immersion in a virtual world, ideal for training, simulation, and entertainment. AR enriches the real world with digital overlays, enhancing productivity, education, and everyday tasks. Both technologies hold immense potential to transform various aspects of life, and understanding their differences is key to leveraging their capabilities effectively. As these technologies continue to advance, informed policy decisions and ethical considerations will be essential in guiding their development and ensuring they serve the greater good. Thank you. This is AskPrep, your guide to mastering UPSC and IS preparation. Let's decode complex topics and simplify your journey to success.